Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through how to connect MailerLite with Hotmart. If you're new to MailerLite, you can find a free trial link in the description. For current users, just log in and follow along with us. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account, which we'll use to connect MailerLite with Hotmart. On the Zapier dashboard, click on Create and select Zaps. If needed, use the Copilot for assistance. Choose both MailerLite and Hotmart from the list. Then enter all the required details on the right-hand side. To connect your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log in. Repeat the process to sign into your Hotmart account. Next, add your client ID, client secret, basic information, and connection name. After completing these steps, click Connect, and your Hotmart account will be connected. After configuring all your settings, click Publish, and you're all set. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.